Let's discuss the reading for this week. Week 7, Controlling. Chapter 25, Fundamentals of Control and the Controlling Function. Being able to talk and listen to people is a very important skill to attain. I recently watched the following TED Talk, 10 Ways to Have a Better Conversation by Celeste Headley. I believe that Celeste provides some essential skills to be a better communicator without offending someone. Please click the link on the slide now. Welcome back. I thought it'd be a good time to talk about communication with our remaining chapters. When you think about control, many employees become upset or uptight. There's a negative feeling. As a manager, you need to find a balance with complete freedom and tight control. The 3 types of control systems include anticipatory, preventive or ahead of time, concurrent, in process or during the event, and feedback, reactive or after the event. Control is making sure people are performing as needed. For control to be effective, the basic requirements include the following: understandable, register deviations quickly and be timely, be appropriate and adequate, be economical, and be somewhat flexible, and indicate where corrective action should be applied. As a supervisor, you need to follow the 3 basic steps of control. Set the standards, check performance, and compare the standards to determine if they're met. Chapter 26. Budgetary and other control techniques. Budgeting is a managerial tool for all levels of leadership. A comprehensive budget or master budget covers all expenses of an organization. Budgeting is time-consuming. It is an expense in itself and sometimes used to evaluate a supervisor's performance. Knowing how to develop and monitor a budget is essential. Please take a look at traditional budgeting, rolling budgeting, flexible budgeting, incremental budgeting, and zero-based budgeting. There are normally 3 types of budgets in organizations: revenue and expense budget and capital budget. What do we want to accomplish for week 7? When we finish this week, you should be able to answer the following. Let's check your understanding. These questions are for review only. You do not need to submit your answers for grading. Why is controlling a key managerial function? Describe the different types of control systems. What are Keister's 2001 Keys to Organizational Success? Identify some examples of control systems that can restrict the inappropriate use of the internet by healthcare employees while they're at work. Why is it important to have written policies on a wide range of work-related issues? What is the purpose of exit interviews? After you complete the reading for the week, come back and try these fun facts on the chapters and check your knowledge. This does not count towards your grade, but it will help your learning. Good luck.